So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have 2.5 or 2.5 line spacing here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Microsoft Word application. Once that is done, go to the top left, make sure the home tab here is selected just like this. Now, next thing you have to do obviously is type in some words. So I'll just type in the words here, 2.5 spacing, just like that. I'll copy and paste it a couple times here just so you can tell what I'm meaning when I say line spacing. So what this basically means is in between each line here, there is a little bit of space separating the two lines from each other. If you want to improve that or increase that to 2.5, it's fairly straightforward. I'll highlight the text right here of all the lines we're looking to change. Go make sure the home tab is selected as mentioned before. Press on the line and paragraph spacing button right here. And then right below it, there's a drop down, press on 2.5 just like that. And there you go. Another line spacing inside of your document is 2.5. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to have 2.5 or 2.5 line spacing here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.